Hello, do you want fix the black screen on Roblox mobile? Okay, here, okay, have the solution for this. Okay, the first step, we are going to the configuration, okay, of your phone, okay, iPhone or Android, and here we are going to the here, okay, scrolling down and go to the apps, okay, and here have your apps in your phone, okay, and you select the Roblox, okay, go to the Air and Roblox here, okay, here you go to this option, okay, and you activate this option, okay, and go to the App Store or Play Store, okay, and you search Roblox. You search Roblox, and here if you have any update, okay, you click to update button, okay, for the fix this black screen in Roblox. Bye bye.